Hi guys, today we will make the rectifier in the Proteus, and how to drive the Proteus we will learn. So first, new project, next, next. Okay, you can, yes, here, next, 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 schematic, finish. So a page open in front of you. Now go to library. We have to select the transformer that convert the 20 to 30 volt into the 12 volt. So tran dash 2p to s we will type. So this is the transformer that converts the 230 volt to 12 volt. Okay, then we will select the V source, AC source, V sign we will select. So this is, if we write the V sign here, so AC source we will get AC source. Other point is simple diode. Simple diode you can write here diode. Okay, so wall diode, generic diode you have to select. Okay, this diode. So diode selected. Now we have to select 12 volt to 5 volt regulator 7805, that is very well known. So if you type this, so in front of this will come. You have to select this here. Again we have to select electrolyte capacitor. You put here capacitor, and then there is a category of capacitor, what type of capacitor you want. So I want the electrolyte capacitor, so you can select here this type. Okay, so electrolyte capacitor selected. Now you can select other point is resistance. You can select resistor. If you write here res, so resistor will come. Here is the generic resistor symbol, you can select. Now we can select the LED one also for indicate the output. Okay, this is LED. Okay, so component all, I think all component we have selected. Now keep the component. First we will keep the V sign. Keep V sign here. Okay, then keep the transformer trend to P to S. Keep it here. Okay, then diode you can keeping rotate it. Diode you can keep another diode, rotate it. Okay, another diode you keep, rotate it. Keep another diode here, rotate it. Okay, now you can do it in the alignment, otherwise there is no need. You just type the wire like this you can do. Now you make the connection for AC transformer in this. Okay, this is the connection is done here, and from here we take the output. So we make the connection here also. Okay, then what is the, we have to select the capacitor, electrolyte capacitor. We have to first we select the 7805. Okay, then we have to select the capacitor also, rotate it this side. Okay, this is input capacitor. We connect it like this and this. This is for filter. We kept another capacitor and rotate it. Okay, this is output filtering capacitor. We will connect it here and this here. Now we keep the resistance register here as one register we have to keep to control the LED current, and this is LED. We have to rotate it LED. This we have to do the resistance value less because it will be more. 10k we put here 100 ohm. Okay, and we put here ground. Okay, now we added the source. Click on this and put here 230 volt, and frequency can keep 50. Okay, and okay here. And now other things is, you can keep here one multimeter. We will keep it later. Now we simulate it. Okay, so this is the simulate button. This is simulate option button. Simulate it. So there is some problem. It is not working. So what is the problem in this? Message coming. We will see the where is the problem. 50 to 30. We sign. Amplitude we kept. Again there is a problem coming. Where is the problem? Where is the problem? I am not getting. Turn this to S2P. No device. So where is the issue? We put the multimeter here, we will see whether voltage is coming or not. Maybe LED is not glowing, but voltage is coming. Okay, so we simulate it. Yeah, voltage is coming, but LED is not glowing. So we have to change the LED. We have to change LED. We stop the simulation from here and delete LED and keep another LED. We can take the LED active LED red. We can take this. Okay, so we connect the, now we simulate that is going down of my recording range. So now it is glowing. So here you can see it is 2.28 volt due to the this multimeter is showing only this drop voltage. Okay, so if we make the connection here, if we delete the connection here, multimeter, so it will show the 5 volt regulator output. So we run the simulation. Okay, so it is showing 5 volt. So I hope you got this, how to make the rectifier on the Proteus and how it works. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.